Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping here, my name is Sophia. Welcome. Today's video is a DIY brown sugar scrub. I want to incorporate some skincare videos to my channel because I have been neglecting my skin for the longest time. Like, if I hadn't taken care of my skin, I wouldn't be where I am right now. I struggle with hyperpigmentation. I struggle with a lot of acne scarring, and I'm just at a place where I'm just sick and tired of it, and I really want to do something about it and get my skin together, get my life together. You know, I just want to be my own skin goal, and I just thought it would be great to share with you guys as well. I'm pretty sure there's so many girls out there like me who suffer from hyperpigmentation. If you don't, that's fine, that's even better. Thumbs up to you, girl, because you've been doing the work, or maybe you're just naturally blessed with great skin. That's good. If you do not suffer from hyperpigmentation or any acne scarring, this DIY scrub will still be perfect for you. This scrub pretty much makes you more radiant. It pretty much gives you a glow. It not only brightens your skin, it also helps exfoliate your skin. You can use this scrub on your face, you can use it on your body. It also helps remove, you know, strawberry legs, is that what they call it? Because I was watching the video and this girl was using almost the exact same recipe to kind of clear out her legs. You know how you have the strawberry? I'll show you mine. See how I have all the dots? This scrub pretty much helps remove the strawberry legs, the dots on your legs. Just kind of gives you a nice, smoother appearance. I haven't noticed much of a difference when it comes to, you know, the dots on my legs. I didn't even think they were an issue until I saw a video on YouTube. Apparently, you want to have smooth legs, free of dots, free of strawberry dots, I guess. I've only been using this scrub for about a month, and I can tell the difference. My skin is glowing more. I can feel a little bit or see a little bit of brightness here and there, especially around my face. These areas are still heavily pigmented, but you know, good things take time, yeah? It's gonna be quite a journey, but in the end, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have one skin tone soon, finally, hopefully. So anyways, guys, let's get into this quick, easy DIY scrub. I'm not sure if I missed anything. If my wig is looking a little bit off, I did not glue it down. I pretty much just put it on and packed it because I'm about to take a shower. I'm not gonna glue my hair. If you haven't subscribed yet, or if you haven't turned on your notifications, please turn on your notifications. I've pretty much been posting every single day, and I do intend to do that to the end of May. Sounds like quite of a challenge, but honey, I am ready to be consistent, so yeah. So yeah, turn on your notifications. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. We're almost at 1K. I can't wait for us to hit 1K. So let's just get to it, guys. Let's get into the video. Now for this recipe, you're gonna need some brown sugar, some white sugar. I like to use coconut oil because I have dry skin. If you have oily skin, you can pretty much skip it, or maybe just add a tiny bit of coconut oil. To me, coconut oil is pretty much for everything. You know, you got a problem, coconut oil. You have issues, coconut oil. You got skin problems, coconut oil. You're trying to cook, coconut oil. You get it. Okay, you're also gonna need honey and half a lemon, and of course a bowl. I like to use small plastic bowls like this with a cover. Then I can kind of save it, just leave it in the bathroom and just use it. I guess I use the scrub every other day, so that way it's there and I don't forget. Let's do this the proper way. Okay, now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. I like to add the oils first and then the sugars. That way I have like a nice balance and it's not too, I guess, watery, or the sugar doesn't dissolve. And then I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of honey. Okay, and next I'm gonna add the sugar. Mine pretty much has lots of lumps in it, which is annoying because I have to spend all the time kind of loosen it up. I got about 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm gonna fight with it a little bit and, you know, kind of mash it up, make it fine. But before I do that, I'm just gonna add 3 tablespoons as well of white sugar. To be honest, you don't even necessarily have to measure them out this way. I don't measure them out this way. I'm only doing it because of the video and maybe to help you guys, just in case you needed, you know, I guess, tips on measuring the quantities. Okay, after struggling with that, I have tried my best to kind of mash those big lumps of brown sugar. I also suggest you get a fresh bag of brown sugar if the one you have is lumpy, so you don't have to go through all of that. Now I'm gonna add half a lemon. I don't necessarily add all the lemon. I try to do it in stages. So I'm gonna put half the lemon in first, and I'm just gonna mix. As you can see, it's a little bit watery, so I'm just gonna add 2 tablespoons of the white sugar. Okay, and I think that should be it. So there you go, this is what it looks like. Okay, so that's pretty much how to make the scrub. All the ingredients are probably stuff you have in your kitchen, and there's so many variations to making a sugar scrub. You can Google, you can find out what works best for your skin type, and you know, make some changes. When it comes to the ingredients, it's pretty much a balancing act. If it's too watery, add some sugar. If it's too dry, add a little bit of lemon or add some oils. I don't always get it right, but I always have a way of kind of tweaking it, you know, until I get the right consistency. I am gonna quickly try on the scrub. You guys let me know if you can see a visible difference. You get results instantly with this scrub. Like once you use it, you can see yourself glow. That's how good it is. I use the scrub on my face. I also use it all over my body. I am hyperpigmented, like in places like here, my back, you know, like here, the waistline a little bit. This has really helped in brightening my skin. I can see my skin getting to a more even place. That's why I decided to share this with you guys. If again you're not suffering from hyperpigmentation, you can just use this to just get that so glow. Okay. You guys remember that from Coming to America? No? Okay. I already washed my face. I used Superfoods by Elemis. I don't know. I'm gonna leave everything in the description box. Now let's go in with the scrub. So I just exfoliate for a couple minutes, and I try to do different sections at a time. That way I don't irritate my skin. Now I'm just gonna quickly wash this off. I'm gonna wash my face in my kitchen just because it's a lot easier to film here than in my bathroom. After washing it off, my face feels so smooth, and there's already a glow. I'm not sure if you guys can notice through the camera, but my skin is definitely glowing a whole lot more than it was before I washed it or before I did the scrub. It makes your skin baby soft. It's so crazy how you could actually spend less money and use stuff you have in your kitchen to take care of your face. That's what I've been trying to practice more, because these days it gets a little bit confusing. Do I spend my money on makeup, or do I spend my money on skincare, or do I buy clothes? Plus, most of the skincare products I have gotten in a while now, honestly, I haven't really seen a difference. They're all supposed to make me glow, supposed to make me radiant, and then I wake up even darker the next day. So, no. I'm not necessarily boycotting standard products. I still have my Murad moisturizer that I use and a few other products that I use. When it comes to exfoliating, I think I am gonna just stick to this scrub. I also do a turmeric and honey mask every day. If you guys would like to see that video, you guys let me know. I was thinking of doing like a 30-day before and after. I have used it for the last 20 something days, and my skin looks visibly brighter. Adding the scrub to my regimen has really stepped up my, you know, my skin growth or my skin transformation. Yeah. So this recipe is perfect for all my hyperpigmented beauties. Trust me, I have dealt with hyperpigmentation for like the most part of my life. I have been insulted for it. I have I don't know. People have said ridiculous things to me because of my hyperpigmentation. But anyways, I hope you guys found this DIY helpful. Again, if you're not hyperpigmented, still try this scrub. You'd love it. You'd be glowing. You'd be radiant for days. You know. Let's just glow up this quarantine. That's what I'm doing or trying to do. So if there's anybody else who's interested, let me know. I have been trying most of these DIY skin routines, and I would really love to share them. If you guys are interested in those kind of videos, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and most importantly, make sure to try this brown sugar scrub. Let me know if you liked it, or if you're already doing it, you know, just leave me a comment. If you have any suggestions on how I can improve the scrub, because trust me, I need as much tips, tricks as I can. I'm trying to get the skin looking good in 2020. So yeah, thanks guys so much. Subscribe, turn on your notifications, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye. Okay guys, and one more thing I forgot to mention, please do not put your scrub in the fridge. I made that mistake once and I had crystallized sugar. You want to make sure you just keep it in a cool, dry place. You know how they put that at the end of all the products? Store in a cool, dry place. Don't put it in the fridge. That's all I forgot to tell ya. That's it.